Hello lovelies, it's time to unbox our prosperity kit, our prosperity tea and tea bags to infuse in more abundance and more wealth in not just money areas, but all the areas of our lives. A beautiful spell to break ties and bonds, so you have your black and white candle and then the string that ties them. Pendant from the amazing Dixie Rockin' Fossils, whom I love so much. The ancestral call oil. And this oil is not to be used lightly. This is for calling in the ancestors for healing, for guidance and support. And also the Cowrie Shell has a lot to do with opening up that portal, that womb space. Desert Rose, Shiva Lingam, our Larvakite, and our Indigo Gabbro. But they're all the magical things with protection and allowing ourselves to be the only vessel in our vessel and allowing ourselves to clear a lot of those strings and attachments and ties. You have the bundle, ding ding. So this bundle is provided with a spell, release any energies and strings that are reaching out, connected with people that are sapping your energy, sapping your prosperity. Also an invitation to write your own intentions as you burn it. This also has fir, which is very protective and healing. It's got cedar, which calls in a lot of beings. A lot of people use cedar to smudge or cleanse spaces, but it's actually one that's very powerful, and it's for invoking and bringing in. We want to bring in that support. You have wildflowers, we have star anise, and then eucalyptus for protection as well. All of these items were sourced so beautifully, many of them here in my own garden. Our tarot card, ta-da! The Three of Pentacles, and that includes a meditation and training with the beautiful Rick, the tarot fellow. Da-na-na-na! Your crystal grid. So we have the crystals you will use in the grid, and then the grid itself, which we go over in detail, all of the symbology and meaning, but this is the grid of prosperity. I'm curious what jumps out for you. Here's your salty bundle of blissful prosperity. Bath bombs are 100% natural, organic ingredients without any of those harsh chemicals that are usually in bath bombs. And they're infused with lavender, King Solomon oil, and magnolia. Hyssop, which is very protective. Also a crystal surprise inside just for you that will help to open and activate the heart space. This is for bringing in wealth and abundance and also that prosperity, but also from a heart-centered. So it's not a matter of just bringing in stuff, it's bringing in what is aligned most for you personally. And so as you do your bath soak and meditation, those get to activate and open up. And we'll go over all these a lot more in detail in our trainings and videos, but I wanted to give you a quick sneak peek to show you what comes in this month's prosperity kit.